In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your personal meeting ID in Zoom. If you need to quickly locate your Zoom personal meeting ID or PMI, this process is very simple. Your PMI is the unique 9 to 11 digit meeting number tied to your personal room, and it can be useful when you want to share a recurring meeting space or create your personal meeting link. To get started, open Zoom and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you'll see the option to access your profile. Select your name or profile to open your profile page. On that page, look for the section labeled Personal Meeting ID, sometimes shortened to PMI. In this section, Zoom displays your personal meeting number. This is the ID connected to your personal room, and it should appear as a 9 to 11 digit number. If you need to save it or share it somewhere else, you can click Copy to place the number on your clipboard. You can also use this ID as part of your personal meeting link, which makes it easier to invite others into your personal room. If you don't want to use the Zoom website, there's another easy way to find the same information inside the Zoom desktop app. Open the Zoom desktop application and sign in if needed. From the main screen, go to the Meetings tab. This area shows your scheduled meetings and personal room details. Inside the Meetings tab, click Personal Room. Once you open it, Zoom will display both your personal meeting ID and your personal link. This is often the quickest option if you already use the desktop app regularly, since everything is available in one place without needing to open your browser. A helpful tip is to make sure you're looking specifically for the personal room section, because that's where Zoom keeps the personal meeting details tied to your account. Also, if you plan to share your PMI with others, double check that you're copying the correct number and not a scheduled meeting ID, since those can be different, and that's all it takes. Whether you use the Zoom website through your profile page or the desktop app through the Meetings tab and Personal Room, you can find your personal meeting ID in just a few clicks.